Welcome back to the YouTube channel. My name's Chris. I'm a videographer, photographer, and YouTuber. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can turn your iPhone into a webcam. And it's a super simple process. All you're going to need is an iPhone, you're going to need a lightning cable, and you're going to need a laptop or a PC. All it involves is downloading an app onto your phone and installing a program onto your computer. So let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to need to do is on your PC, download a piece of software called IvyCam. You can either Google it or I'll put a link in the video description. Once you get to this website, you're just going to scroll down and you want to hit the download for Windows button, and then your download will start. Once it's finished, you just want to click it, and then you're just going to run through a short wizard. Install. And that's it. The computer is ready to go. So once you get to this screen, you know you're in the right place, and now you have to get it on your phone. So on your phone, just go to the App Store and you just want to type in IvyCam. Once you've found that, you just want to click Get and install the app so that you've got it ready. Whilst that's downloading, we're just going to plug our iPhone into our laptop. And it is worth mentioning you will need iTunes installed on your computer for this to work. Okay, once that is downloaded, you just want to click Open. And IvyCam would like to access your camera. You want to click OK, OK, OK. And as you can see, we now have the camera showing up on our computer. So this is the quality. Obviously, you know the quality of an iPhone, but if I show you the screen quickly, you can see there is very, very little latency. If you're a streamer and you want a higher quality video, but you don't want to invest in a new camera, then this is a great option for you if you're using OBS. And obviously there is a watermark in the top left-hand side of the picture, but I will show you how you can remove that in 2 seconds. There's also a link to a video I made recently in the description, which shows you how you could take this concept and use it with Skype, Google Hangouts, or Zoom. So the possibilities are really endless. So let's crack on with getting rid of that watermark. So the first thing you want to do is open up OBS, and we're going to click the little plus button under Sources, go to Video Capture Device, press OK, and then from the drop-down menu you want to select the IvyCam and press OK. And obviously you can move this around your screen, and you can also, if you hold Alt, you can resize that display so that you're cropping out the watermark. Obviously this isn't something they want you to do, but it's something that definitely works. And that means you could have a full-size display just using your iPhone. Most people aren't going to be using it like this. They're probably going to have this in the corner of their display whilst they're gaming or whilst they're streaming, doing something like that. Like I said, go and take a look at the other video I made, because you can apply this to Zoom, Skype, and Hangouts. And there you go, you're ready to stream using nothing but your iPhone and a lead, latency-free, high-quality signal. You can't ask for much more than that. Thank you for watching. I will see you again very soon.